Hi everybody, Happy New Year, ladies team here. I'm going to talk today a little bit about our January 2019 box of making. This is box number 9. And our theme for this box is Dragon Eye. I'll tell you a little bit about why we themed it that in a little bit. So you'll see on the front of the box we've got a couple of dragons, and I get to do the box unboxing and give you a chance to see what's in our box today. So as always, we've got a letter on the top thanking you for being a subscriber. We really, really, really appreciate that, and we're excited to see. And then, as usual, we have some paperwork inside. In this box, we've got one extra piece of paper that's telling you all about our new products. We're going to do a new subscription box in addition to the regular box of making that allows you to do construction and build pieces and put them together. And this letter tells you a little bit about that and how to subscribe to that if you'd like it, as well as a new offering called Box of Making Prime, where you'll only get one of our 3 projects. If you're having trouble keeping up every month, then maybe the Box of Making Prime is the right answer for you. And then as we look in our box, we have 3 projects you'll want to know about. The first project is the iris box. This is what I think is the coolest thing in this box. It opens and closes. It lets you put your fingers in here and open it and close it nicely. Really neat, fun piece. I think you're going to love it, whatever you decide to put in your iris box. Irises are sometimes called eyes, by the way, and we've got some fun Celtic art on the top of it. We've also got in our box then, to go along with all of that, 2 additional projects we're going to be making. One of these is the Celtic sun catcher. Our art supply this time is some glass stain that we're going to show you how to use to be able to decorate the glass on your sun catcher. So we're doing 2 things with acrylic. One of them is this sun catcher. I'm really excited that you'll be able to hang this up in your home and have a really pretty piece of art that you've put together. And the second one is this dragon pendant. Using that same idea of Celtic knot art, we're doing a little dragon pendant, that, again with acrylic in it, so you'll be able to use your glass stain on it and create a really pretty, brightly colored pendant if you'd like to. So we need to look at our box and find those pieces then. We've got the hardware for the Celtic suncatcher here. The suncatcher itself is on the bottom. Our dragon pendant is right here. It's got a hardware kit in it and the pieces we need to put it together. As always, glue and sandpaper for you. And pin test wood, although you'll also be able to use it a little bit with the glass stain. A spare screw kit, as always, and last but not least, on the bottom of your box, the parts for your Celtic suncatcher itself. Be a little bit careful, but you'll have 2 pieces of wood, the front and the back piece for your suncatcher, along with a 3rd ring and the acrylic piece for the suncatcher itself. So those are the pieces in your box. We're really, again, excited to be able to show you how they work, what the pieces and parts are. And go pick up the next video, decide which project you want to make first, and we'll get started.